last day in Barcelona, and we're just gonna go have some breakfast before we go to Park Guell. Yeah, we'll see you then. This is what we're wearing today. This is our breakfast for today. Salmon sandwich and a granola yogurt, matcha latte but cold, and an Americano. Going up the hill to go to Park Guell. Oh, legs. So out of breath right now. We're nearly there though. We can see the top. Thanks for holding my bag for me. The struggle is real. Shame it's not that sunny. It's a bit cloudy. There's a lot of people at Park Guell today. Really busy. Queue was really long, so I would suggest getting your tickets first. This is the entrance bit. So many steps. Oh my goodness. Lucy, look. That's for you. Look at this house up the hill. Guys, we are a long way up. Hello everyone, more stairs at Park Guell. But we love a bit of exercise, don't we?
No.
He says it's a hike.
I didn't sign up for this.
Why? He's complaining. How dare you?
How dare you bring me to the mountain?
Ils sont sortis du toilette.
Guys, I really wanted to go here, but the queue was too long. Probably should have gotten here a bit earlier because to go up there you have to go round. And this is how you come back down. You're not allowed to go up the steps. That's where I wanted to go, but the queue was too long and we're kind of hungry now. Slow tapas. Bread with tomato, anchovies with olives, fried aubergines and bravas patatas. And I got a strawberry mojito and he's got a pina colada. We're just outside with the Sagrada Familia behind us. Yeah, so now we're gonna dig in. Bye. We are going to the pool. The lift is here. It's our last day, so we're gonna go see what the pool is all about. It's the wind. It's too cold. I can't. Oh, it's hard.
I can't swim, guys. It's really. Guys, welcome to my vlog. So we're going to the steakhouse. Follow me, guys.
And we are having some steak. Oh, it's green.
Carry on, guys. Green.
So
like her mind. Alexis.
Yeah, because it's more comfortable. I actually found this on TikTok.
Hi, hola.
Happy birthday.
Hi, thank you very much.
Hello.
We're looking for tea.
Yes, tea. Iced tea or tea?
Octopus.
This beef.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We still have more, right?
Chips, just
Fries.
fries.
Coming.
Yeah, okay. They have sauce, like special sauce. Smile.
Pistachios and creme brulee.
Oh shit!
So it is our last night in Barcelona. I am so upset because I don't know why it zoomed in like that. We're gonna miss this place. I don't think it was enough. Not enough days. This is a goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please do like, share and comment down below.